If this is your first time using Google Translate, don't worry because I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Google Translate. The first thing that you need to understand is the context-aware text and the tone adjustments. Let's start with the core interface. When you open the application, you will notice a much cleaner, large input canvas. The first thing you need to master is the interactive refinement. In the past, you typed a phrase with multiple meanings Google Translate, but now you can have translation from images, documents, and even a whole website. Because of the Gemini integration, the application now populates the ask and the understand. Now, something else that you can do to make this process much more faster is that you can type the redefine button to explicitly change the output term from casual slang formal businesses phrasing. For example, I'm going to go, for example, something like this. Something a little bit more Italian, you might be telling, right? So, inside here, I wanted to enter, for example, an actual website. Into this specific website, I wanted to go, for example, here into the element that says contact, for example. Let's go for product, and let's say that I'm going to be copying this specific website. I go back into the Google Translate. I go for website, and I send this specific website so I can be translating this into an actual new language. In this case, now we are into Italian. So I believe that this one is in Spanish. So if I change this from Italian, I'm going to go for English, which is a little bit down here. Now, I close this and the translation is now been enabled. I can change from translational into original. You can be seeing that it's going to be exactly the same process, exactly the same elements, but what we're going to be changing is the actual text and all of that. Now, the continuous flow with the Gemini Live Translate. Now, we have the absolute game changer for the travelers and professional, which is the older version of voice transitions where turn by turn, meaning you have to speak with an actual sentence. This is only working with your phone, smartphones, but you can be doing much more stuff directly into the Google Translate, such as, for example, just drag and drop an actual file. Let's say that I select this one, I go for open, I detect the actual language, and I change this, for example, into Italian. So as you can see, it's not making the actual text element here, but I'm going to be changing this to English and try to make the actual translation. And as you can see, it changed from one into another. It won't give you, for example, like the right creativeness, but still, what I'm actually looking for is for the translation of what I'm actually checking out. This actually works with some Chinese documents, and you can be copying this document directly inside here. I'm going to close this element, and I'm going to hit now over for document. Let's try to go for something a little bit more complex. For example, this. So I'm going to copy this specific document. I'm going to try to go for a PDF file to make this process a little bit much more interesting. This PDF file, which is a classical Chinese sample, I'm going to be downloading this, which is only 21 pages. Head over here so I can browse my actual files and paste my actual PDF file so it can be making the actual helpful translation between the Chinese and detect the actual language and send this into English and hit for translate. It will be taking just a few minutes to see the actual translation is not be working on it. Now, speaking about the pronunciation and all of that, it only worked with the actual mobile device, but still, this actually does a really great work. Now, as you can see, the translation, it actually doesn't look that bad, and sometimes it has just a few misunderstanding directly inside here. And if you wanted to change this specific element from another, I can head over back directly inside here and change it from English, for example, to Persian. Click directly inside that. It's going to be giving you an actual new document, so you could be understanding a little bit more of what we're actually aiming for. That's how we can actually use the Google Translate. You can see more elements directly into your smartphone, and if you want to receive more amazing tools about Google, you can let us know into the comments below. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully we can all see you next time.